You! Soldier boy, tell.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, he's stealing. He's stealing. Hey, 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 get back.
How does it feel to be the worst cop ever, huh? Shut up, your mother buys you Mega Blocks instead of Legos. You fucking take that back.
So he broke up with me. Why are you looking up?
I need to cry, but my foundation was $48!
Nathan, if you worship louder in front of the other kids, I'll give you money. Our God is an awesome God.
I wanted to be a cowboy, baby. Yeah. I wanted to be a cowboy, baby.
Can I buy a train? Do you have 40 bucks? Oh my God.
Read this.
I do.
She said yes!
Man and wife. My little macaron, baby. Like an actual middle-aged listener.
You're gonna tell me everything right now. No, please, no, please, no, please, no, please, no.
And just remember, no one will ever be able to hate you more than you already hate yourself.
Now you sing! How about you sing? That's what I paid for! Alright, tough crowd.
People say I can't do what I love without college. I don't need a degree to be a clothing hanger.
Oh, there's no cue, you lose. Dude, are you kidding me? You can still add something. I added a belt, 4 earrings, and an extra arm, you lose.
Would anyone like some stew? Would anyone like some stew? Would anyone like some stew?
Babe, do you love me?
Not in the slightest. For real? Oh my God.
Hey, what should I do with these files?
Oh, just run those by Dave.
Okay. What was that?
Then you have
Break it down, bitch! Let me see you back it up! Shut that head down, load it, bitch!
I don't feel like driving!
Fuck you, oh my fucking God.
Come on, yes.
Clark, it's time to wake up, honey. Mírenlo a este. Sleeping Beauty, ya está bueno, mijito.
Oh! Get that education, bruh! Get that education, bruh! Hell yeah! Hell! Remember this dumbass school with all these fake ass people?
Hey.
Hey.
Fucking bitch.
Hoo-ah! Yes, 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 yes. Hoo-ah!
I don't sing in the shower. I perform.
Hit it, Fergie!
All the time I turn around, brothers gather around, always looking at me up and down, looking at my...
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant!
Can I get a dick taco?
You talk dirty to me.
Kill Jen? Yes, kill her. I didn't say the other. I don't need to hear it. I'm feeling a little unsafe.
literally hate country music.
All over the world, people are dying of starvation. Africa, Asia.
The fucking M24!
We tried our best, but we lost her. Okay, well, look harder. Find her, please. Jeez, this hospital sucks.
Not on my watch. Not on my watch.